You've been upgraded today. Sarah's busy sunning herself in Jersey with the girls, or cousins or family or whatever. So I've decided to get out into the hills on my own for the first time ever and sleep in a tent. I wanted to go from the Ogwen Valley up Devil's Kitchen towards the Garn, but it was busy. So I'm currently trying to make up my own route away from everybody else. So my original plan was the other side of that mountain there. That's Tryfan. So the other side of that. And because it was so busy, I thought, well, we've got Pen and Ogwen on the opposite side of the road. Maybe there's like a bit of a basin at the bottom of a big cliff, basically. Thought maybe head around there and we get a nice view across to the Glyders, but I wasn't too sure on the access. There's no footpath on the map. So then I thought, right, okay, I'll come up this side at Tryfan instead. But it's not going to give me the views that I wanted. Forecast looks really good, so you've got to take advantage of the views when you can. So now I'm coming down I think it's the Glyders Slate Trail, and I'm eventually going to go down this path, over the road, and then up this bit, and up there. Maybe. Managed to find myself some flat ground. That. I won't be too long in explaining, but I parked roughly down there, walked all the way down there, started at the campsite at the bottom of that hill, up this hill, and now found a little flat patch, because my target is pretty much up there somewhere. The vague target, which is why there's a good chance I'll succeed in getting to my target. I'm officially dying. Combination of a few things. My fitness is shocking. My lungs have been shot since I was ill. The rucksack is far too heavy. And it's red hot. It's just a little breeze now and again. It shows a fairly tricky route, but I can see me target. I'm not that far now, so I found this beautiful little spot to stop. And there's a fella in Sarah's work who's ex-military, brought some ration packs in. So I just got some just nuts out of the ration pack, because the last bit of this route is it's pretty steep. Got one of these Catadin B3 water filters. I'm just going to find a nice little stream. Look at the view behind me, if that camera can pick it up. Got Tryfan. I've had enough. I'm at 630 metres. That's enough. I've got a view of Tryfan. Just beyond Tryfan is Devil's Kitchen. That way. Pretty much got what I want. But I just hope that there's a lot of cloud coming over from the west here now. Probably northwest. It's coming in. Looks like the wind's bringing in quite quick. So there's a chance I won't get the sunset that I promised myself, but Could be worse, couldn't it? Let's go and get this tent set up because it's 7:45. This is hopefully going to be a game changer. It's, I can't remember what it's called. Is it thermarest? Yeah, pretty sure it's thermarest. Fucking hell. I need to get some food first. Yeah, nice soft pillow full of foam. So for all the gear nerds out there, which I know there's a few, I've got a Trekology mat. I did have an Exped down mat 7 UL, I think it was, years ago when we used to go wild camping, but it died. So I got a cheap one, 40 quid. Other than its crap thermal properties, it's actually really comfortable. I've got my trusty old Ascent 500. Use this in the camper van. I used to have exactly the same one when I used to go wild camping years ago. It's got a comfort rating of about +1 degree, I think. I have got a Trekology pillow, but I'm not a fan of air pillows. It's the one that straps around your mat. So I have brought this. I've just bought this new thermarest collapsible pillow, whatever it's called. So that's my sleep system anyway. That's my view to the east. You've got Mole Shabod just over there. We've also got Tryfan in the background, and the sun is setting down that valley over towards Anglesey. And it's just a little bit of colour in the sky. This camera ain't gonna pick it up, is it? Piece of crap. But yeah, here's the Hilleberg Hotel. Got myself a nice little spot. This wild camping, I said it in our last wild camping video, it feels like hard work today. Felt like hard work. And I don't think carrying a 3.3 kilos maybe, the Allak 2, the tent. So I've got nearly 3.5 kilos in tent. I've got, I don't know, probably about 1 kilo in sleeping bag, 0.5 kilo in a mat. It added up pretty quick. And I've got an Osprey Exos 48, and as good a pack as it is, I don't think it's designed for carrying such weight, because bloody hell, it was digging in my arms. It was, I think I pushed it beyond its limit. So I might just have to get a big burly rucksack that can take a heavier load easier, because we are looking at getting a lighter weight tent. Look, already, we've only done this is my second night in it. But I quite fancy a summer option as well. So I've been looking at the Hilleberg Allak, which looks like complete opposite to this Allak, but it looks amazing. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But it's 20 to 9. I've literally just set my bed up and done nothing. I don't think I'll be bothered making any tea tonight. I think I might just have to eat snacks, get an early night, and get up early, because rumour has it we're getting a sunrise as well. temperature has plummeted, and I don't know whether it's because I walked up a mountain and got all sweaty. And the advice is, when you get to camp, take your sweaty kit off and replace it with warm, dry kit. I've brought warm leggings and warm wool base layer with a hat and all kinds of... I haven't changed anything because I just got to camp and thought, it's late, I can't be bothered. I need to learn to get to camp a little bit earlier. So yeah, my temperature's dropped, but I think that the temperature's dropped as well, so I've got my down jacket, my hat on and all kinds now. But I've also ignored my other laziness. I'm gonna have something to eat. It's after 9 now, but I've got the feeling that if it gets cold tonight, there's bugs everywhere. If it gets cold tonight, I'll suffer if I've got no food in my belly, so I'm having some freeze-dried meal. Can you see that sky? I was coming up here thinking me and Wild Camping have fell out. I think we've just made friends again. I think I need to make it easy for myself in the future. But my God, what a landscape this is. I was setting the timer for 5 minutes, and I had the instructions says leave for 15 minutes, so leave for 15 minutes obviously. The sun set, a little bit disappointing. Some nice colours in the sky, but there's not many clouds in the sky for it to reflect off. Smells good. This is why it's good to have a long spoon, because you have a normal length spoon, your knuckles are going to be in that bag. Oh balls, I've just remembered, last time we had a meal I had a real termat. They don't put these fucking the sachets in. I've just... shite. Is that going to kill me? I like big flakes in that. Beef stew with pale barley. Don't even know where pale barley was like little grains. But look at, is that going to focus? See that? It looks like a quality biscuit, like. See what it's like, eh? Ooh. It's very well seasoned. You can taste the salt and pepper. Oh. I didn't think I was going to be that excited about this, but that's really good. You can bugger off while I eat this like a pig. That's me signing out now for the night. Just seen about 5-6 head torches dotted around the landscape all the way through the valley. Looks like there's a couple of people on Ogwen. Looks like there's a gang of people descending Tryfan after 10 o'clock rather than me. And there's a few on like Devil's Kitchen area as well. But anyway, set me alarm for 5. I think the sun rises about 5:30, 20 to 6. So it'll give me time to get up, have a little mess around, and God, this is fogging up. Anyway, I'm going to bed. See you in the morning. Oh, brilliant. Finally got some nice light. I thought, get the drone up, show show you it in all its glory. What is all that here? Nothing is what it is, because we've left no trace. Farmer Gwilym will never know we were here. Me, I was here. So, one last higher up look at Tryfan. Could look at that all day. And we're gonna head down now. God, this rucksack's way too heavy. Giving myself a nice easy route down, which is always recommended when you've got a heavy rucksack on your back. What a morning that was. The area that I went to isn't exactly blessed with nice firm paths, and the terrain on the way down was really bad. You know that though, from a distance it looks, oh, that nice grassy hill, that'd be amazing. No, what it is those big tufts of grass with massive big gaps in between them, and then streams running underneath. Oh, it was a nightmare. But all the way down, I had amazing views of Tryfan in the sunshine, so no complaints. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed some of the scenic shots. I didn't get as much as I'd like, because it's different when you're up there. Things just take over. But the views are really good, so I hope they're shown well on the camera, especially the drone. I put the drone up when it was a bit windy, but the light was pretty good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching me suffer. See you later.